Hi, and welcome to today's lesson on J Sigma Math. And in today's video lesson, we're going to be looking at sum of terms, the sum of terms. All right. So when we have, especially we're looking at the arithmetic progression, and so when we have, remember that the general term for an arithmetic progression is actually given as T sub n is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So this is the arithmetic, this is the sum, this is the term formula for the n term of an arithmetic progression. All right, so what's the sum gonna look like? So that means you're gonna have a, which is the first term, plus the second term, that's going to be 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. 1 times d, let me do that here. So that means t2, or let me write that properly. So that means the sum of the nth term of an arithmetic progression is actually going to be first term plus second term plus third term plus and so on up to the nth term. So what is T1? T1 would then be A, that's the first term. Then, so I'm going to write A here. Plus, what's the T2? T2 then has to be A plus 2 minus 1D. And that gives us A plus 2 times, 2 minus 1 is 1 times D, that's A plus D. So A plus D. Then the third term then be a plus 3 minus 1d, and that becomes a plus 2d plus a plus 2d, then and so on, blah blah blah, on to the nth term. Okay, so that's the sum. So and the formula for this sum of the nth term, sum of terms of an arithmetic progression is actually given as Sn equals to n over 2, open the bracket, 2a plus n minus 1d. So this let me write that properly. So this is the formula for the sum of terms of AP. So this is the formula, and this is how it's given. So where I know you're supposed to know this from the previous video, where n equals to the nth term and a equals to the first term, then d equals to the common difference. All right, so this is the formula to find the sum of terms in an AP. So in the next episode, we'll be looking at examples on how to actually use this formula to solve problems. All right, so if you find this video very helpful, kindly click the subscribe button if you have not done so, and click on the like button and comment on the comment section, because that alone help the algorithm of the YouTube. So you can actually help me to just write thank you. You can just write thank you on the comment section. All right. See you by the next episode.